How to set up a cross-platform Minecraft server that works for both Java and Bedrock editions. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss how you can set up this new server. Alright, let's get started. First head over to Aternos.org and create an account. It's super easy. You can just sign in with Google. Once you are in, go to the software section, click on change, then select paper bucket. Make sure to choose the latest version that's compatible with both Java and Bedrock. Now that's done, go to the plugin tab. In the search bar, type Geyser, and that's the plugin that makes crossplay possible. So click on it and install the main Geyser MC package. Just select the first version that appears. After it's installed, search for Geyser again, and this time download the Geyser skin manager compatibility plugin. Make sure you grab the latest version. You will notice it says it depends on Geyser MC, and that's fine since we are already installed it. If you would like, you can also install extra plugins like Bedrock Player Manager, third-party add-ons for additional feature. These aren't required, but they can make your server more fun and customizable. Alright, moving on to some important settings. Head to the server section and click on connect. Here you will see your server IP address and port number. By default, Minecraft Bedrock uses ports like 19132 or something around 25,000. But I actually recommend changing the default port just to keep things clean and avoid connection issues. Copy your desired port number, then go to the File tab, then Plugin, and open the Geyser SpyGod plugin folder. Inside, open the settings file. You will see the line for Bedrock port. By default, it's 19132. Change it to something unique like 57588. You can also edit the Java port to another number if you prefer. It's optional, but a good practice for organization and safety. If you decide not to change it, that's okay. Just make sure your friends know which port to use when connecting. And that's it. You have successfully set up a cross-platform Minecraft server on Aternos that both Java and Bedrock players can join. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.